What up guys, Craig here, Fergie, JKU. Today I am going to put in another set of rock lights. I am going to put in some McTuning LED rock lights. The ones I have now are okay, they're just a little flimsy. So these are supposed to be a better quality. And they're not one of the ones you control with an app and make it do all crazy colors. It's just red, green, blue, or white, and I went with white because when I wheel, I get rock lights so I can see the rocks, not so I can go on a parade. So anyway, I'm pretty excited about these, so let's check it out. I will do an unbox, and then I'll take off my existing rock lights, and then I'll show you how I put these on. Alright, so I got a 12 pod system, so I'm assuming this is going to be 8 because this one is 4 pieces. And what I like about these is you can daisy chain them together, so you can have as many as you want. I got 12. I'm going to do 1 on each wheel well, 2 underneath the rock guards, 2 in front, 2 in back. Hardware. This is what the actual rock light looks like. So you got a positive and a negative, and this is metal. This isn't plastic. My last set is plastic. So these, and they're curves. So that should be pretty cool. I don't need to worry about any Bluetooth adapter or anything like that. It's just power. It's just gonna go straight to my Boss switch. I'm gonna take off my existing rock lights, buy some wire. So I will be back because I thought it would have wire, but it doesn't. So guys, what I like about this set, I'm only using zip ties, but I am basically putting the lights wherever I want them. So I'm going to do that first, and then I just bought some lights off, wire off Amazon. Got 100 foot, it's like 13 bucks. Can't go wrong. I'll throw a link in the description. They're going on pretty easy. I'll show you when I'm done, and then after that, I'll wire it up. Alright guys, I got all my rock lights placed exactly where I want them. And like I said before, this is probably my 3rd or maybe 4th set. And every time I get a set, it's always got the long lines, and it goes to like a Bluetooth box controller or something like that, and you're always kind of dictated on how far those go. I like this. I can put this wherever I want, and then now all I have to do is hook it up. But let me show you how I zip tied these on. So for the wheel lights, I did a zip tie. I'm going to tighten that up. So I did a zip tie right there. And then I had to screw this one in, just because there's no real place to zip tie that. So this one is screwed in. So those are the 2 wheel lights, same as the other side. The rock guards right here. You got one right there. One right there. I'll tighten these up. I'll tighten these up as I do the wires. And then the 2 in the back, last time I had them out here, and I don't really like that because of the exhaust right there. So this time I put it right here. So the exhaust is going that way. Stay away from the shocks. And then lastly, the 2 in the front, I just put right here. And in the past, I've put them like in the grill and stuff like that, but don't forget why you're getting rock lights. It's to see the rocks. So now I'm going to wire these up, hook them up to my Voss switch, and then I'm done. Alright guys, hey, it's like 100 degrees in Colorado and my GoPro overheated, so I'm just going to give you a little update where I'm at. This is my Voss switch. So this would be my power, my positive, and then this would be my negative. So then what I did from there is I branched off into two directions. So one direction is going to go down here, and I'm going to do this pod right here, connect it there, and then this side will go that way, and then this wire here comes down and will connect there, and I'll just go down. So I decided to do it that way just so I didn't have one long cable going all the way around. And then what I'll do is I have these little connectors, and I'll just heat gun these so it'll shrink wrap, and yeah, and then hopefully it'll work. Finished the rock lights, cleaned it up. I'm pretty happy with it. Everything works. I'm gonna get out tonight and do some video for you guys. So I definitely like these rock lights from McTuning. I like that I'm able to just place them wherever I want. I'm not dictated on the length of wire of a Bluetooth controller. I set the length, so I'm happy with the placement. And it's a little bit of work soldering, daisy chaining all the way through, but trust me, it's worth it. I already had one go out in the middle, and I was easy to fix that and diagnose it, and not a problem. Where before, if I had a Bluetooth controller, it was a mess, and I'd have to reach out to the company to get a new wire and blah blah blah. So you can see I control it with my Voss switch. And that's it. It's nice and bright. Like I said before, I like the white. It's better for wheeling, right? You do rock lights so you can actually see the rocks. And yeah, it's cool if it's red, green, all that stuff. But at the end of the day, that's what it's there for.